How to connect Athene network to Bitget wallet. Now, first of all, open your Bitget wallet and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, after that, tap on Discover. After that, tap on the search bar and type this URL parthenon.athenescan.io and hit search. Just tap on this link. And now, as you can see, check don't prompt again next time. Now, tap on enter. Now, as you can see, the website it will be opened. So after the site is opened, as you can see, now you will be able to connect your Athene network or Athene Parthenon network. And as you can see, after this website is opened, now you will be able to tap on connect. Just tap on it. And now from here, tap on Bitget wallet. And now for a few seconds, as you can see, your Athene or Athene Parthenon network is connected to your Bitget wallet. As you can see, this is it. Now you can tap on disconnect to disconnect it. So this is how to connect Athene Parthenon network to Bitget wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.